Don't mind the mess, this is just how I live. Alright, check this out. I grabbed this guitar from a thrift store for $5. I have no idea why they let it go for so cheap. I mean, it's in great condition. It even comes with a headstock, even though it's not quite attached all the way. But I think that this thing, which is, it's a Hondo 2. It is from, I think, 1993? I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. Leave a comment. Let me know. Speaking of comments, you're going to be yelling at me a lot because I am by no means an expert in anything when it comes to guitar repair and restoration, but I'm going to do my best and we're going to have some fun today. But this isn't just going to be a regular restoration. No, today I'm going to be what the kids call winging it. All right, it's time to tear this thing apart. Kind of wonder if someone tried to relic this thing. This looks like it's been sanded down before. Maybe that's paint. Maybe someone painted it. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Definitely looks like someone has worked on this thing before, but... Alright, so here we are with the neck. Big ol' snap. And you can even see the truss rod poking out there. But I don't think it'll be terribly difficult to just kind of glue this thing back together, so... And then we'll work on the paint to kind of hide that seam. Just pull those tight, let it sit for a while. Okay, I think we are pretty good. Feels strong. Looks well lined up. Awesome. For color, I'm going to stain this thing. I'm going to do that with this RIT dye, which is not meant for this, but we're going to give it a shot anyway. And I've just mixed it with some water. And let's get to coloring. Alright, it did not work, so I'm going to paint it like a normal person. Primer, kinda. Primer is all done, looking pretty good. Cleaned hardware installed, and with that the neck is done. Really happy with how it turned out. Looks, you know, used, but doesn't look like it's been snapped off anymore, so progress. Alright, we're all sanded and primed, so now it's time to get to painting. Hey, we got a Leonardo da Vinci over here. I loved you in Titanic. And we are painted, finally. If I keep trying to mess with it, it's just gonna get worse. I know myself, I'm gonna mess it up. So I'm gonna let this dry, and then we will move on to the clear coat. We're all done. Ooh, we got presents. Oh, that looks awesome. Oh, that's exactly what I wanted. Sweet. So this is gonna go something like this. Oh, looks great. Cool. Gotta go through here. I believe. Right. It works. Sweet. First try. And at long last, here we have it, the completed guitar. I'm very happy with how it came out, especially for how many mistakes I made throughout the build. I was convinced that it was going to be a little disappointing, but it's not, and I'm really pleased. Got a little solder on the paint job right there, so shucks. Pick guard didn't quite fit, had to shave out a little piece to get it to fit evenly, but it's looking good. And the neck repair for a first attempt, I'm pretty darn happy with that. So all in all, a very successful build. I don't know how to play the guitar. I'm gonna level with you guys. I know a few chords and like half a song. So let me know if you want me to find somebody that does know how to play the guitar to demo this thing. They're just very standard pickups, but with a very cool look. But if you want to hear them, let me know. I'll put a video together. And with all of that said, I think that's going to do it for me today, guys. Thanks very much for watching. If you liked the video, do me a favor, hit like. If you want to see more stuff like this, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified when I put more stuff on the internet. All right, that's all I got for now. See you guys next time. Bye.